we are very sorry for the family who has lost one person. Because that one person is not just one person, it means a number of people who loved and lost that person. Okay, no reported deaths for La Carlota.
Calatrava, 1. San Enrique, 0. Sipalay City, 5.
Carlos City, 1. Nicaran, 2. Ilog, 0. Kawayan, 0. For Ibi Magalona, negative. Valladolid, 1.
For Moises Padilla, 0.
For La Castellana, 1 death reported.
For Pulpandan, 0.
El Salvador, 0.
Talisay City, 3. Isabela, 1.
Batangan City, 5. Bacolod City Police, 54 deaths.
So, can we request those who are here to also join ng mga, from the volunteer group, chamber, and the city students, schools who are here, being represented. Students, please come join us. May taga San Agustin. Please join and the light. May I request also sa registration, so please come join us here so that you can announce and recognize all those who are here. Tapos, part na kamo to assemble for the advocacy walk. Para that, we can end at Robinson's before the mall open. I think I see also the